What up, everybody over here at Ford Era? Thank you guys for tuning into another video. So today, what we're going to be doing is I got to drop the trailer off to my buddy Brad, the one that I used on this whole road trip, and then Mikey, Shop Truck Mafia, is making a show or open house. So we're going to go over there, show him some love, some support, send me bringing Black Sheep, and it's going to be fun. I'm going to take you guys along. I'm going to go to the shop, load up my trailer, and head over there. See you in a second. All right, so just got over here to the shop, waiting on Simi, but I'm gonna load up the trailer real quick. And found something funny. So if you guys listen to my C10 Talk episode, and if you listen to the Provost Motorsports C10 Talk episode, Ronnie started something. And Jeff from Muncie Speed, he thought it was really funny. He made that, put it on there. So anyway, I'm gonna load this up right now. Why not time lapse it again? So see you there, which is right here. All right, all loaded up. Now we're gonna wait for Simi. See you guys when he gets here. So Simi's planning on taking Black Sheep, his 61, but we should have some fun along the way. Shouldn't ride separate. So I think I'm gonna load him up on the trailer before he gets here. So here we go. Strap it down. We'll catch you guys in a second. All right, he's all strapped in, all loaded up. Simi just got here, so we're gonna hit the road in about a second. Gonna grab a drinks and stuff and close up.
What's up, guys? Simi from Ford Era. Solomon's gonna pull out with my truck on the back, and we're gonna be heading down to West Palm. Check her out. By the way, my truck is running and I'm gonna drive it home. We're just doing this for fun.
Yeah, so it's like an hour away where we're going, and I gotta drop the trailer off anyways to Brad. He lives right up there. So instead of riding separately, we'll ride together. It'll be fun. So we're gonna close up the gate. Boom. Truck's looking good. We got our boy David rolling with us. It's gonna be a fun time. So we'll catch you guys on the road. All right, so we decided to jump off the trailer first. So that way we could just ride back home right after. So we're gonna drop his truck and then unload, and that's that. Catch you guys then. Alright, so that was a little bit of fun. Ramp fell off, but everything's all cool. This is Brad, he's the shit. Thanks for letting me use your trailer, dude.
Not a problem, man.
Really appreciate that. So I might show you guys what's inside this shop, might not, I don't know, but we'll catch you in a second. All right, so this place over here, it's Austin Weiss's shop. It's called Grindhard Garage, and they do some pretty cool shit. Anyway, we're gonna chit chat and we'll catch you in a second. All right, so right now they're working on this killer Apache. And Justin's one of the main guys over here. He's been doing all the sheet metal work on this thing. But wait over here. Now we're a Ford page, but we could appreciate a quad turbo freaking LSX
carbon fiber manifold, 4 mirror turbos, or I guess 2 and 2. And that's the badass right there, Justin.
What's that?
So they got a lot of cool stuff in here. I mean, they make plasma, got some badass drift cars. There's a Bel Air up there. And I guess look, Tiffany's back. So Tiffany's an Apache that they built a while back. And this one, you know, it's not that cool. It's only a twin turbo LS motor. But here's the shop. It's pretty much, you know, just basic badass fucking tools. They get a little bit of metal work done, a little bit of fun stuff. I love coming here. So yeah, now we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna go to that little truck meet. We'll catch you guys there. All right, so now we're done. They got a pretty badass Crew Cab International they're working on. So now we're gonna roll down to Mikey's Shop Truck Mafia. He's got an open house today for his new shop. We're gonna go show homie some love. We'll catch you guys there. All right, just get over here to Mikey's. What's up, bro?
A little late, but still happy to have you.
Yeah, we had a bunch of stuff to do. We'll see you guys in a second. Say what's up, Mikey.
What's up?
All right, so now they said hi to everybody. Let me show you some of the stuff that's here. We came a little bit late, so not everything's still here. But we got Hutch's POS. Hutch, this thing still run or not? Doesn't run anymore?
Yeah, it runs. Those goes for now.
Okay. And then pretty dope VW over here with some awesome freaking scooters. That's Simi's Uni. Death Trap S10. Shitbox 720. We got Goldie over here. Got this pretty cool short bed single cab crew. Pretty dope. So yeah, we're just having fun, hanging out with some friends. That's what it's about. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so it looks like this little shindig's over. We got the trucks lined up. Hutch is about to leave. I think we might get something cool. I think we might get something.
I'm not doing anything.
What did you say?
I'm not doing anything.
Why?
I'm out of tires.
Jade, what you got, girl? Try it. Let's go. You put it in first. All right, and then brakes and gas same time.
Hold down the brake at the same time.
She tried. All right, that's all we could ask. She tried. All right, so we're gonna be heading home now. Gonna say bye to Mikey. Mikey, bro, happy birthday. Thanks for having us out.
Thank you for coming.
Absolutely. We'll see you guys in a second. now we got Simi's car parked because, you know, show car, gotta stay inside. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It was pretty short, just, you know, having some fun. And catch you guys in the next one. As always, if you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. Consider liking, subscribing the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.